Dito to. Babae, sa bahay lang. Yan, according to the Filipino mentality of the research. Babae, hindi pwede mag-presidente. May presidente ng babae na duluto lang ganun sa babae.
Wait a minute, Joey, please. Joey, yeah. Sit down.
Ako?
Yes, I'm talking to you. I'm talking to you.
You're talkative to me.
Sit.
Yes, ma'am.
Joey, under the Constitution, Article 3, the Bill of Rights, Section 1 provides for the Equal Protection Clause. In other words, men and women are entitled to equal protection. It is therefore unfair, even only to yourself, to make sex-based judgments like you just did. Alam mo, Joey, ang babae binigay ng Diyos sa atin para tulong ng lalaki. Eh ngayon high-tech na ang society natin. Maraming panahon na ang babae